In today's activity, we're going to be decorating some biscuits. We're going to be using wildflowers, forget-me-nots and dandelion heads. And you can find the recipe for basic biscuits and the butter icing just below, should you be wanting those. You can also, however, buy shop bought and use those too. So we've come outside to collect some forget-me-nots and some dandelions to decorate our biscuits, haven't we? Mm-hmm. Good. Come on, we're going to collect some in. So take some scissors, a container, make sure do ID your plant and snip away. I'm going to take some of these.
I'm going to snip.
So it's the petals and the flowers that are the edible part.
And also remember to snack on a couple while you're picking them, because they are really yummy for snacking on as well.
So we're also going to collect some dandelions today. The common dandelion that you find in your garden is also edible. Just remember that if they're taken from anywhere else, they will need to be blanched in some hot water first. Here we go. These are for you. Some for me. And wonderful colours when it comes to decorating your biscuits. So we picked our forget-me-nots and our dandelions this morning, and now we have baked our cookies, and obviously we have washed, dried and therefore pulled the petals off the dandelions and taken the flowers off their stems. As you can see here, they are attached still, and we just snipped behind and took off the individual heads, so they're separate. So we're also using a mixture here of some icing sugar and some butter to make a kind of frosting icing sugar. I can put a recipe there too. And it's very simple. All we're going to do is pipe on our design. So the design I had earlier for our heart was just literally to follow around our shape. As you can see, I'm no master chef, but you don't need to be to do this. It's very easy and fun to do with children too. And you're just going to place your other little heart of icing sugar in the middle, and you can place that there. Then we also did our angel design, and our angel design was simply to pipe down the skirt in some stripes, a little waistband. I'm going to give this one some wings, like so, and then we can also, let's put that, place some hair around the top, and these are very, very simple then to decorate. So these are the final biscuits that we have at the end of our session today. It's a wonderful way to bring your garden into your home and to make those connections. You can get to learn all about the plants and the flowers, and you still get to have some delicious cookies. Hope you enjoyed making them. Take care. Bye.